Hello to all of you lovely people out there. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. And today I'm showing you how to immerse your readers into your story. If you don't know me, I'm OCTAVIA Mason, giving the best practical writing tips to the beginner writers, helping them begin and build a great novel with confidence and a strong foundation. Let's get to my writing prompt. It goes as this. Take your favorite Christmas song, and as if it is for someone who cannot hear, describe how it sounds. The practical writing prompt tip that I have is, a writer must push past the limitations of words. Our duty is to get our readers to hear what the characters hear, to taste what the characters taste, and to touch what the characters touch. This writing prompt response is going to be a little bit shorter than all the other ones. I want to get straight to the point, and in order to immerse your readers into the story, you don't really have to go into great detail. So let's get started. It is titled, Mary, Did You Know? Because Mary, Did You Know is one of my favorite Christmas songs. I had a hard time picking my favorite Christmas song because I love Christmas so much that I have a whole bunch of favorite Christmas songs, but this one is the one that I love the most. And it goes as this. Have you ever seen a wedding? This song is the bride walking along the aisle to the awaiting groom. The air buzzes with an electrifying intensity of guileless hope and the nerve-wracking expectancy. Then finally, the two join together, and it is beautiful. Boom. There you have it, my writing response. The practical writing prompt tip says a writer must push past the limitations of words. And as a writer, all we have are words. We have to get our readers to see, to hear, to taste when all they're doing is reading a book. And this writing prompt is simply an exercise on getting your reader to move past just seeing with their eyes, but also understanding to the depth of their being what you're writing, what the characters are feeling, what the characters are seeing, what the characters are hearing. And one of the ways to do that is to dive deep into the meaning of what you're writing. Because if you know the meaning of your writing, the purpose your writing is trying to serve, then that is one of the ways you can get your readers to understand and to feel what you are trying to portray with your words. And I hope with my writing response, you were able to get a feel or sense the sentimentality of what this song means to me and how I perceive the song. And that is one of the things that you're doing with writing, is trying to get your readers to understand and to perceive the things that you are writing in your book. That's it, folks, how to immerse your readers into your story. And if you love this writing prompt and want to check it out and read it for yourself, head on over to my website at OCTAVIADMason.com, where you can find this writing prompt and all the previous writing prompts and read them for yourselves. And if you want more content and more videos just like this, be sure to check out all my other videos on practical writing tips for beginner writers on my YouTube channel right here. And again, I'm OCTAVIA Mason, giving the best practical writing tips to the beginner writers, helping them begin and build a great novel with confidence and a strong foundation. See you in the next video. Peace.